Hey everyone, welcome back to Nena's Wellness Corner. Today we're making a creamy one-pan chicken dish packed with flavor. Tender chicken in a rich garlicky sauce with spinach and sun-dried tomatoes.
Hi everyone, my name is Nena. I'm a certified nutrition coach, recipe developer, and food blogger at nenaswellnesscorner.com. Here I share easy to follow nutritious recipes that focus on clean eating and reducing inflammation using whole natural ingredients.
This is what you'll need: chicken breasts, garlic, olive oil, Italian seasoning, black pepper and salt, fresh spinach, Parmesan cheese, heavy cream, and optional sun-dried tomatoes. First, let's season our chicken with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. This will add a nice depth of flavor. Now heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once the pan is hot, add the chicken and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes per side until golden brown and cooked through. You want a nice sear on the outside. Once done, remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside while we make that creamy, dreamy sauce. In the same pan, pour in the heavy cream, add minced garlic, and give it a good stir. The smell of garlic cooking is just amazing. Let this simmer for about 2-3 minutes until slightly thickened. Now the best part, Parmesan cheese. Stir it in until it melts into the sauce, making it extra creamy and flavorful. Next, add in your chopped spinach. The spinach will wilt quickly, so just give it a stir and let it cook down for a couple of minutes. If you decided to use it, now is the time to add sun-dried tomatoes. Again, give it a good stir. Time to bring the chicken back. Nestle it into the sauce and let everything simmer together for about 2 minutes so the chicken absorbs all that creamy goodness. And that's it! Creamy chicken with spinach and sun-dried tomatoes ready to serve. You can serve this over pasta, rice, or even with crusty bread to soak up the sauce. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more healthy and delicious recipes. I'll see you in the next video.